Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Long time no voiceover. So today we are going to be making egg and plantain frittata. So guys, let's get started. To begin, I started by cutting my fresh tomatoes into these tiny beautiful shapes. You really want to cut them into these shapes. After that, I cut my bell peppers. I started with the yellow, and after the yellow, I cut the red, and then I cut the green bell peppers. Of course, we are making frittata, so you really need to cut your bell peppers into this finely shape. So after I was done with the pepper and fresh tomatoes, I proceeded to cutting my ripe plantain. Now, when making this plantain and egg frittata, you don't need your plantain to be overripe. So like I was saying, it should be ripe, but not overripe. It shouldn't be like you're making plantain and beans. You understand? So at this point, I fried my plantain. I set that aside, and then I proceeded to making my sauce. I added onions into my oil, and then I went with some fresh pepper. I gave that a quick fry, and then I went in with the chopped fresh tomatoes. I gave that a quick fry for about 2 minutes. These are my eggs. I made use of 8 eggs, so you can make use of 10 or 15 depending on how many you are. And this is me whisking the egg. After that, I checked on the tomato, and then I added the bell peppers. I gave that a quick fry for about 2 minutes, and I went in with my salt and 1 Knorr cube seasoning. I gave that a gentle fry for everything to come together. So at this point, I transferred the mixture into the egg, and then I mixed everything thoroughly. And then I added some oil, just a little oil into my pan, and then I poured in the mixture. Now at this point, I placed the fried egg just like I'm doing it here. I placed all of that, and then I garnished with the remaining bell peppers, the yellow, green, and red bell peppers. This is just to make it look more beautiful, make it look like a pizza. Yeah. So I garnished that, and then I covered it and allowed it to cook on a very low heat, guys, on a very low heat for 5 to 10 minutes. So this was after 8 minutes. Yeah, this was exactly after 8 minutes. I checked on it, and guys, it was ready. This was so delicious. Like, everybody enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you're going to give this a try if you have not done that. And please do not forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.